So I'm going to fall back a little bit on some of my videos content and do some simple explanations for definitions, because a lot of times I think there's a lot of guys watching that may not know what I'm talking about, which is all fine. A lot of you guys think you know what you're talking about, but I want to make sure we're on the same page. So this particular lesson is basically about the two most common footing types that we see in construction. This would be your sort of a normal or standard footing for a house or commercial building or whatever. And they call this a strip footing or a continuous footing, and sometimes we'll call it a perimeter footing. So say this is your building. This is the footing looking down, which is called a plan view. And this is the footing looking sideways, or a profile or an elevation view. So you see the rebar and the verts and that kind of thing. But this is the footing. The footing holds everything up. We'll talk about load in the next video. And then the second most common is a spread footing, which is basically a square rectangle out underneath the building, and it will hold a point load. So sometimes I'll tell the guys, oh, we got a point load over there, which means like a column, and that column goes up to the floor or the roof, or it holds a concentrated load. But anyway, we'll talk about loads in the next video again. So anyway, the two most common is a strip or continuous or a perimeter footing, and a spread footing, which is going to be going to hold one post or a couple posts sometimes, but that's how that works. Strip footing, continuous footing, spread footing.